Hello friends, let me share with you how I lost so much belly fat. Like I passed out so much waste, toxins, bad fats, got my body in shape this weekend. I had to share with you. Like this is so rapid. So very quickly, the first thing you will need is some ginger. You need a thumb size of ginger. So get your ginger, wash and peel off the ginger. This is thermogenic. It will intensify your detox water to help you burn fat, heat up your system to burn fat super fast. So this is a thumb size of ginger. You want to slice up the ginger into these shapes so it can infuse in your water. In short, I will share with you how to go about this, so watch till the end as I'll be sharing with you what I eat alongside this drink to get the results I'm talking about. So this is it. Slice up your thumb size of ginger and set this aside. Very thermogenic to heat up your system to burn fat really fast. Yeah. So the next thing you want to get is some cucumber. You need half a cucumber. Cucumbers are alkalizing as well, plus they support your system to detox itself, flush waste out of your system, toxins build up and facilitate fast fat burning. Very cleansing. So you want to get your half cucumber. Just slice up your cucumber into these sizes so we can get it infused and make a strong detox fat burner even more effective. So this is it. Plus it increases your electrolytes levels and as well as boost your immune system. Cucumbers are one of the most healthiest fruits you can ever think about, or vegetable. Yeah, so this is it. You'll have a cucumber, you slice up and set aside. Very quickly, the next thing you will need is some mint leaf or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. We need that chlorophyll infused in our water. Mint help to boost your metabolism and activate your system to burn fat super fast. I have this planted, so you can always buy your mint and plant at home. Easy. So when you see how they are fresh looking, I'll show you in my garden sometime where I plant this, and trust me, I am so happy about having this because this helps to boost your metabolism. So you need like a handful of mint for this recipe, plus I add in some grapes for two reasons. These grapes, they contain a lot of antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight the effects of free radical damage, slowing down metabolism, and once your metabolism is slow, you face difficulties to burn fat. So these green grapes are very good. Plus they bring in taste, flavor into this recipe and makes it so yummy and nice. Remember, I always tell you my recipes are so yummy. They are fat burning but equally so yummy, not boring in the mouth. So go ahead and slice up your grapes and add in there. You can chew while drinking the water. This will pop up in your mouth. Feel free to eat it up with the drink and trust me, you will come back thanking me. Now the next thing you want to get is some lemon. You need one lemon. Lemons contain citric acid as well to help your system to dissolve or break down fats accumulated in the system and equally prevent fat from accumulating in your system, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is in a way for not letting fat accumulate in your system. That is the benefit of lemon. That's citric acid in lemon. So this is the juice from your one lemon. You want to transfer in a cup, and once you do that, you set aside and voila, not a lot of ingredients. The next thing you want to do is to get a jar. So this is the drink. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll be sharing with you what I eat alongside this salad to get like my belly is down. And you will not be surprised once you get to what I ate alongside this. So get your 2-liter jar, go ahead and put your ingredients. So that is the cucumber and the mint. I just added some ice because I love my water chilled. These are the grapes. Add in your blender. You will thank me for this recipe. These grapes will improve your metabolism by fighting the effects of free radicals, slowing down your metabolism in the first place. So that is the ginger added and the juice from one lemon. Now you want to fill up this 2-liter jar with water. Just fill it up with fresh clean water like so. So this is it. What you want to do is you want to let this sit for at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour, so the ingredients get infused and you go ahead, serve in your cup. Drink this throughout the day. And I'll tell you what to eat. You don't just eat anything. If you want this to really work well and flush your tummy, so you can poo every bad thing out to get your body in shape, like, drink this throughout the day and make sure to watch and see what you're eating alongside this, because what you eat with this matters a lot if you want to get the results. And this is it. Vegetable salad. This is what you eat. Very filling. Will load nutrients into your system, boost your metabolism, and activate your system to burn fat, leave your skin looking healthy and so vibrant. This is so good. So you're drinking that, and this is what you're eating. So you don't need to starve yourself to burn fat. So very quickly, the first thing you need is some apple. Yeah, apples are loaded with a lot of antioxidants. As I mentioned earlier, as antioxidants help because they fight free radical damage, slowing down your metabolism. So when you fight free radical damage, your system becomes so, it works properly. You tend to lose fat so fast. Plus, this is so yummy, crunchy, and so nice in this salad. The good thing about your vegetables or fruits is they will load your system with nutrients. Plus, they are so yummy. It's so yummy. So it's like you're healing yourself and enjoying at the same time. So that is the one apple. The next thing you want to get is an avocado. Yes, this is good fat. Good fat helps you burn bad fat. Ask your doctor. It takes good cholesterol like this to help you burn the bad cholesterol in your system. Without good cholesterol, you hardly really, you face difficulties burning the bad cholesterol because you need this good cholesterol to help you. And avocados are a very powerful source of that good cholesterol you need. Healthy fats, all the amino acids. This will fuel your system with energy so you don't feel hungry. You don't feel like you're starving yourself. You will love me for this. Just try this throughout the day with this and eat. The next day you feel so energized. You'll be so happy. You will easily visit your restroom and poo all the food build up, waste build up. Get your body all nice and in shape, and I trust you, your skin will look so healthy and beautiful, because when you put good things into your system, it reveals goodness externally as well. So this is our avocado. One avocado sliced. You want to transfer in your bowl or cup and set aside. Yeah. Now the next thing you want to get is pepper, bell pepper. This sweet pepper, these are loaded with antioxidants as well. If you notice, I talk about antioxidants here a lot because they help your system function well. Without antioxidants, free radicals can damage you. So you need a lot of them. So that's why I always add them in my salad. I make my salad so healthy, fresh, and yummy. And this, have you eaten this pepper? It tastes so good. Yeah, so this is it. Slice up your bell pepper, plus it is fiber based. All these fruits, avocado, your apple, and this pepper, fiber based. The benefit of fiber is they fill your tummy up with little or less calories. That way your system has enough energy to burn fat rather than burning calories. So this is that kind of food you eat, but with less calories, so you don't punish your system to be burning calories instead of fats. Now the next thing you want to add is some spinach, or any green leafy vegetable of your choice is fine. So spinach or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. For this recipe, I add 2 green leafy vegetables, and the first one is spinach. Because these greens are very cleansing. They are what will give your inner system a thorough repair. As you're looking to flush your system, to cleanse it, burn that fat, you want to give your system a thorough repair, boost your metabolism, and have your system burn fat. So this is a handful of spinach, and now this is kale. So any green leafy vegetable of your choice. If you have lettuce, that is fine. You can use lettuce or any other green leafy vegetable you feel comfortable, but let your base for this salad be leafy greens, like any leafy green. They are very filling as well. This is fiber based, very cleansing, and will leave a lot of nutrients in your system for utmost health. So this is it. Slice up your kale, and As usual, I always make sure I wash my ingredients thoroughly before eating them, most especially my green leafy vegetable. You see, they look so attractive after being thoroughly cleaned up. So now, once you clean up your vegetable, you want to, this is the last thing and you want to do now, is to come up with your dressing, or you can do it while you have your salad in the bowl. But the first thing you need for your dressing is some lemon to squeeze in. You know, the juice of lemon, very good at breaking fats because it is citric acid, very good for fat burning. So we'll be using this half lemon. I just had to put the lemon aside. And now get your salad bowl or your whatever you want to make your salad in, a plate, bowl, whatever. Go ahead and put in your ingredients. So these are my greens, the spinach and the kale. You want to put it in a bowl and go ahead and just add in the other ingredients. So this is a handful of kale and handful of spinach. Now this is my avocado. You put in your one slice of, this is so filling and so yummy. And the secret comes in when you start adding apple. Like, try this recipe. Once you add apple in here, oh, it makes everything so crunchy. Like, this is one of my best salad recipes. When I eat this, I feel so satisfied. It is so yummy and leaves in a lot of nutrients in your system while boosting your metabolism and helping you burn fat super fast. So you want to squeeze in the juice of your half a lemon. So this is the half a lemon we sliced at the beginning of making this, putting the salad in this bowl. So squeeze in the juice of your one lemon, and the next thing you want to do once you have your juice in your salad is to add a little tiny pinch of salt for taste, you know. A tiny little pinch of salt and a tiny little pinch of black pepper. Black pepper equally helps boost metabolism and bring in flavor in the recipe. So nice for your dressing. This is optional. This is dried parsley. If you have it, that is fine. If you don't have, you can skip the parsley. And then you want to add in a teaspoon of olive oil. Healthy olive oil. That is it, not vegetable oil. Now, this is it. A teaspoon. My teaspoon was not really full, so I had to like add a little bit just to make it real 1 teaspoon. So now give it a good mix. Give your ingredients a good mix. You see how yummy this looks already. Sorry. It looks so yummy. When they say color is different. These different colors signifies the different vitamins and minerals you'll be putting in your system from your fruits and vegetables. Yeah, this is multivitamin plus. This will boost your metabolism and have your system burn fat like super fast. Go ahead and eat this. This is your meal for the day. Watch how this will transform your body. You will always look so plump, healthy, without fat in your tummy, your hands. You will look so beautiful and you come back thanking me. Try this, come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.